Good morning. Where are you headed today?
Good morning. I need to go to the airport, please.
Of course. Do you have a flight soon?
Yes, it leaves at 1:30 p.m. I want to make sure I get there on time.
Don't worry. Traffic is usually light this time of morning.
That's good to hear. By the way, how long have you been driving a taxi?
Oh, for about 15 years now. It's been quite an adventure.
15 years. You must have seen many interesting things.
Absolutely. Some passengers are really friendly, some are a bit difficult.
I can imagine. Do you have any funny stories?
Oh, yes. Once, a man got into my taxi wearing a full superhero costume. He was late for a party.
That must have been amazing.
It was. So, what brings you to the airport today? Business or vacation?
Vacation. I'm visiting New York for the first time.
That's exciting. You're going to love it. So many things to see and do.
I hope so. I made a long list of places I want to visit.
Smart move. We're almost at the airport now.
Perfect timing. Thank you for the ride and the conversation.
My pleasure. Have a great trip and enjoy New York.